Hello, good morning. To ninth Thursday. Now you can see that I have a very old style wallpaper. It's a kind of nostalgia, and I found it quite interesting, and I wish to download more. And how can I do it? I got a site, GitHub, and I got all the. I did it number 10, and I want to download all of them. Of course, I can do it one by one, but suppose I get 100, but I do it manually? No. Then I think of using Python to download them. Um, First of all, I fire up the Emacs, then I write, and then I make the program called it wallpaper download. Then the first thing first, I have to copy all these names there. Now I got all the names. Then next I would do is to convert them to the single line. Okay, then I have removed some extra words that I don't want. This one, initial dump 4 years ago. Possibly that is the one that I don't want. So that I remove them. So I got the variable name now. Then I add a colon there. Then I replace all the space with no, sorry. And I replace all the space with and I check whether it's now these are the variables. Yes, they are, except this one. This one looks like. So, okay, that is what the better name for this tuples. I would say it is called um, images. Okay. So now I got a nice tuples. Then I must the next is the URL. Then I find the one of them. This is the URL. This means when I want to download that URL for image should equal to what? Should equal to URL and image, right? Ah, yeah. So URL image should equal that one. URL image. Yeah, that's right. Now we can test it. Ah, yeah. That's why we have to test before we do it. Now we get all the link, okay? And how I download? Mm, then I will use the wget. Then I download wget as I would say wget. Okay, that is the web system. Wget all the image here. So let's run it, see what it works. Wallpaper. That's my alias for Python 3. Python 3. I just used the P3. That's kind of alias. Okay. No, it doesn't work as not a pop here. OS system. wget. What's wrong? Oh, OS not defined yet. Okay. So we get all the files now downloaded, and I can move to my wall. Okay. Because I have a game keyboard, I don't know how to type the tutor, so I have to type the full name. So now I get all this HBM, the nice downloaded. Okay, much easier. It doesn't make much safer. I mean, it doesn't save too much time for only the couples of files. But if think about it, if you get it 100, or you want to download the video from YouTube or whatever, you got 100, a whole playlist, then without using program, it's a really hard work. Okay, now I got everything done within a short time. Thank you for listening to this sharing experience.